Alrighty, today we are going to change the oil on a 5.3 liter 2019 Chevy Silverado LD, which means liquidated damages or something like that. So anyways, it's 15 millimeter. And when I like my cheap old ratchet, I can use it as a regular ratchet. And then once I get it going, we can make sure. And I really like this from Chevy because I got it. It's a metal pan, a metal plug, all that good stuff that makes sense to me. And it's pointed down rather than out at a plastic thing that then runs the oil somewhere else. You know, it just like comes out the bottom of the pan and goes into my drain pan. There we go. Oh, here we go. I think I got her all the way. Whoa! You know what I forgot was a rag. All right, so we drained her out, and now we are putting the plug back in. Then the next step is going to be taking this filter off and replacing it. So let me get this back tight. Okay, it's finger tight, but I'm gonna use my old handy dandy ratchet and just ratchet it on there a little bit. And there we go. Click, 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 click. Click, click. Okay, I think I got it torqued pretty good. Click, 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 click. Okay. All right, so I went and got a different filter wrench. Goes on there like that, and it uses. Oh, look at how easy that goes. It sounds like a chicken or something. Oh, don't drop in the oil. Don't drop in the oil. All right, so. Oh, that's what's making that noise. This is the worst part. I always make a mess doing this. Oh, and it's running down my arm. Thanks, Thomas. Okay, you can start. Come on, don't drop it. Don't get you filming this so you can make fun of me if I drop it.
Yep.
Man, it's like threaded to Toledo, Ohio. Oh, there we go. Luckily, it's not very heavy. Whoa, that was close. Make sure you don't have that seal still stuck on here. I think I've said that in another video where I did it as a young man and then suddenly I had a mess in the driveway, bigger than just a regular mess that I'd make. All right. Take out our new filter. And since I got it all over me, I'm going to use some of that to lubricate the seal. And this is gonna be a mess. I should have got a towel. All right, so then you just put it back on there. I'm gonna have Thomas, you need to stop and get me.
Go for it.
All right, so we got a towel so I can dry my hand off, and we got a towel to dry off the filter a little bit because I've made a mess. But anyhow, I'm gonna put this on. Tighten her down. I usually try to get it hand tight, which is hard to do when it's slippery. And then turn it another quarter, 3/4. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's on there pretty good, I think. So, and I know that I tightened that down. We wiped off most of the oil that I got all over everything, including myself. All right, so I think we're done down here. So now we got to go up and put 8 quarts of oil into our 5.3.
Go for it.
All right, so you saw me do all the hard work down below, and so now we're going to put 8 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic in here. So I'm not going to make you watch all that, but that's what you do. Peace out. Drain some more. All right, so there you have it. We put the 8 quarts in. We looked it up a couple times because it seemed like a lot, but with the 5.3 or the 5.7 or the 6.2, it gets 8 quarts. I don't know if it's because of this model or what have you, but that's what it gets. Okay, stop for a second. All right, because I'm height challenged, I'm gonna have my assistant check his own oil. Here, you wipe this with that. So what you do is you take it, you wipe it clean, and then you put it back in. Right there's where the, but as you can tell, he's like 16'8", and I'm like 5 foot nothing, and I don't have long enough arms to get there. So, and where's it showing on there? It's showing a high, but we'll let it drain down. See, it should be between those two dots right there. So hopefully, just like put it down there all the way, and then pull it back up. All right, take it out and wipe it off good, and then we'll. All right, so like I was saying, since I'm short and he's tall, he's gonna check his own oil. So, because I can't even reach the dipstick without a stool. All right, and yeah, it's showing right there. So we're right in between the dips, so we're good. So there you have it, another successful maintenance job. So there you have it. That's how you change oil in your Chevy Silverado LD with the 5.3, 8 quarts, 15 millimeter for the drain plug, and I'll put the numbers for the filters in the comments. So anyways, I appreciate everybody watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, do anything you want, but I really appreciate it. I'm going to keep making them. Please keep watching them, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.